Freelancing is a popular and growing way of working, especially in the tech industry. According to a report by Upwork, there are over 20 million freelancers in India alone, and the freelance market will be valued at $9.2 billion by 2027. Freelancers enjoy the benefits of flexibility, autonomy, and creativity, as well as the opportunity to work on diverse and more challenging projects.
Plus, the money is good enough,
However, freelancing also comes with its challenges and risks, such as finding clients, managing finances, and staying competitive. And more recently, one of the biggest threats that freelancers face is the rise in artificial intelligence tools. AI is advancing rapidly thanks to the development of machine learning and deep learning algorithms that can learn from data and improve their performance. Just this year, we have seen tools like ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, Video AI for video repurposing, and countless more gain massive popularity. AI, along with automation, has already disrupted many industries and professions such as journalism, entertainment, marketing, and even education. As of 2020, a survey from Upwork indicated that hiring managers most engaged with freelancers for writing, design, and software development work, all of which have one thing in common: they have the most potential to be disrupted with AI. In a Forbes article, Christian Hammond, the chief scientist of popular paraphrasing tool Quill, told BBC, in 15 years, 90% of the news will be written by machines. So why haven't they so far? If AI is the cheapest, most accurate, and fastest way to solve those problems, why do we not see more freelancers complaining about lack of opportunities and being replaced with AI? To better answer that question, we need to understand how AI works. AI is nothing but a pattern recognition machine. It can look at huge amounts of data and train itself to see the way we do. So in other words, AI can look at all the books ever written by J.K. Rowling and understand her tone, choice of words, and personality of her writing. It can then write today's news as if it were a Harry Potter book.
And in other news, it's not Leviosa, it's Leviosa.
A better way to look at the relationship between freelancers and AI is not to see as a competition, but transformation. AI is transforming freelancing by automating low-quality tasks that are tedious, time-consuming, or repetitive. So what I want to do in this video is to talk about 3 of the most popular tools that we have been liking as freelancers and creators, and then compare what all these tools are great for and what all they still cannot replace. First, let's look at the tool you are most likely using yourself, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate realistic and coherent text on almost any topic given some input or prompt. ChatGPT can write anything from poems to product descriptions to social media posts. This means that ChatGPT can automate some of the writing tasks that freelancers do, such as proofreading, editing, or even rewriting. While ChatGPT is great at being your 24/7 virtual assistant, it's still not the same as having an actual person working for you. Freelance writers can use ChatGPT as a tool to generate ideas, drafts, or outlines, but they still need to refine, polish, and tailor their text to their clients' needs and expectations. It's the ability to take split-second decisions and understand context of the problem you're trying to solve that you as a freelancer have an edge in. ChatGPT is not something that can do that yet. Now, let's talk about some creative tools, starting with Luca. Luca is an online platform that uses AI to create custom logos for businesses. Users can input their brand name, industry, preferences, and feedback, and Luca will generate hundreds of logo options in minutes. Although great to kick off the creative process and overcome creating blocks, Luca is far from being perfect, let alone enough to replace a freelancer. It cannot create logos with a unique identity, story, or even a message. Freelance graphic designers can use Luca as a tool to generate options, inspirations, or variations, but they still need to design, modify, and customize their logos according to their client's vision and brand. Creating logos is not just about having a symbol representing a company, it's about understanding the vision of the brand and visually representing it in places like videos, websites, letterheads, etc. Tools like Luca can come up with a bunch of logo designs, but they cannot rationalize which one is the most relevant for a client and why. That's where freelancers and humans still have the edge. Now, let's look at some video tools. The one that has really impressed us is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an online tool that uses AI to create engaging videos from text content. Users can paste a long blog post or an article, and Lumen 5 will automatically select relevant images, videos, music, and animations to create a video summary. This means that Lumen 5 can automate some of the video tasks that freelancers do, such as creating simple videos or even slideshows. Now, although that might sound pretty great, but it's far from perfect. Lumen 5 can create videos from text content, but it cannot create videos with a specific theme, mood, or even a goal. Freelance video editors can use Lumen 5 as a tool to create summaries, highlights, or previews, but they still need to edit, enhance, and optimize their videos to their client's audience and objective. If you have ever worked in the video editing field, you'll know that videos are more than just a bunch of pictures put together. It's about storytelling and evoking emotions in the viewer, which AI cannot yet understand. Now, although you can use any of these tools to get your work done in seconds, this does not mean that AI can replace freelancers completely. Rather, it means that freelancers can focus on high-quality tasks that require more creativity, complexity, or customization. AI can study and learn what makes Harry Potter books unique, but if asked, it cannot create the next Harry Potter-like story by itself. It lacks imagination and creative identity. That's where freelancers will always shine. By using AI-powered tools, freelancers can save time, money, and effort and improve their work quality, efficiency, and even productivity. They can also learn new skills, explore new opportunities, and expand their portfolio. It's not that AI will replace freelancers, but a person using AI will.